What's up guys, welcome to Blake's Garage. Today I'm gonna be cleaning up some of the interior panels for Project E36. So I just did this one with the Purple Power. This is a concentrated greaser and I can make different ratios depending on how much water I dilute in it to make it much stronger. So that stuff works pretty dang good. What I'll show you right now, this new interior panel. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and spray it down. Oh no, thought this was better than it was. Dang. Well, maybe I'll use that other piece, I don't know, depending, the old piece, but up here is much better. I didn't realize this vinyl was kind of stretched out on this side. Dang. Okay, anyways, let's go ahead and do that, and then I'm gonna clean up this seat too. So this stuff works really nice. Pretty much I'm just spraying it on there to get all the grime off. It helps break it up, and then any of this leather stuff I'll hit with some leather conditioner afterwards. But wow, you can just see how freaking much dirt this stuff breaks off. It's pretty wild. So I just do this, kind of just drench it and then agitate it. I'm just using a microfiber cloth, but you guys can see how quickly that just kind of cleans this up, gets it looking a hell of a lot better. Look at that. Look right there. Oh yeah, it looks like a brand new freaking seat already. This front area is kind of gross and nasty. We'll hit that. You can just see the stuff kind of cleaning it up. Look at that, just getting the grains. It went from that to that, so it looks a hell of a lot better. So another tool I'm using is this drill brush. This works really well, so check this out. Okay, I'm gonna spray this area, right? It's pretty gross. Make sure it's nice and lubricated. Now, hitting that with a microfiber, it obviously does clean it up, but hitting it with this does it a hell of a lot faster. Check it. Oh yeah, that looks way better. Just keep it lubricated so it doesn't build that much heat. But wow, that works super freaking good. So I'm gonna hit that on the rest of the seat, and yeah, that's gonna speed up the process a lot, because this is nasty and the grime is just stuck. Oh yeah, check that out. That's badass. Look at that, it looks perfect now. The front of that looks really good. So I'm gonna hit this other side now, way better. The side over here is kind of gross. So see my spray bottle also, this is why I bought that concentrate that I was talking about, because I can just go heavy as I want on this and not care, because I think it's like $6 a bottle, and I think that was like something like 10 for the extract or for the concentrate there. So this works killer. Seriously making easy work of this, because this stuff is nasty and I don't want to rub on it forever. Oh yeah, that is looking way good. This area looks pretty nasty too. I think it's some sort of glue or something. I'm not 100% sure. Who knows? Maybe someone threw a Coca-Cola. See how that works out? Oh yeah. Probably some Coca-Cola or something. Sweet. Okay, I need a new microfiber, but yeah, that cleaned up really well. So that looks great. Ew, the backside's kind of nasty too. Let's hit that. Cause yeah, maybe there was a leak back here or something. I don't know. All right, guys. So I'm sure you could tell the difference. Look at this side. Pretty nasty. This pretty dang gross. Then we come over here, boom, getting nice and clean, nice and cleaned up on the shoulders here. Yeah, it is looking like dove white, whereas this side is looking dirty gray. So I'm gonna continue on this side a little bit more here and clean this up, but I kind of wanted to give you the contrast of the dirty side here, nasty, compared to now the clean side. Look at that. Thing is gonna look freaking great. All right, guys, there's that bottom half. Looks super freaking good. Look at that, all cleaned up. So now what I'm gonna use is some chemical guys, leather protectant serum. It's dry to the touch, has UV blocking stuff in it, and I do like, because this doesn't leave it like shimmery or anything like that. It kind of gives it that natural leather look. So I'll shake that up, kind of wipe that on, let it sit, and then wipe it off. I just went ahead and cleaned up the headliner because it was kind of gross up there. Just sprayed it down with some, what did I use? Just this Adams Eco all-purpose cleaner. The stuff actually worked really good on a microfiber towel. Boom, clean that all up. And I cleaned up this whole back area up here and kind of tucked the headliner up, so it actually looks pretty damn good up there, which is great. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take this little side panel off, but first I gotta get the seatbelt off. Looks like a T50 on this guy, hoping this is gonna break loose, no problem. And I'm actually gonna replace the seatbelts because I grabbed new ones that are a little cleaner than this. So interesting enough, there's a spring right here that does connect to this little piece. Apparently on the convertibles, it makes that thing slide, so something to keep in mind. All right, so got that going on. Then I transferred this new little piece. I transferred one of the grills from the other one, so it's really nice having two pieces because you can kind of take the best of what you have. And then this guy just, oh, just kind of slides on there like that. Yep, that looks good. So that's cool. It's for the front seatbelt. I'm gonna go ahead and reinstall this little rear seatbelt piece right here, and then I'm gonna change out these back seatbelt pieces just because they're kind of dirty and nasty. So, oh man, the screen's kind of dirty and nasty. Much finished up with this side right here. Slip this little panel on, and it is looking a hell of a lot better. Wow, look at that freaking back seat, dude. This thing looks killer. Wow, it looks really, really good. All right, time to get the front seat in then, I guess. But wow, that thing looks really, really good. Gotta put that other headrest on. I'll put that on and then we're done with the back. So let's see what happens when I plug. I think I'm just gonna plug the do the battery situation again, where I kind of hotwire the thing. So the seat is in. I have a little 18-volt battery hooked up to the thing. Now the seat does go forward and backwards, up and down, all those tilt things. It looks like an actual car that you'd want to sit in. It doesn't look like a total piece of crap. So that's really cool. Yeah, I'm gonna work on that a little bit, and then I guess I'll throw the other seat in. So I just sprayed this seat down with some purple power. As you can see, it's pretty gross. This drill brush, I know I've been using this the whole episode and maybe another episode as well. This thing kicks ass. It makes easy work of all of this stuff. This is normally crap that you would like be scrubbing forever to get the grime off of, like right here or something, and you can just put it on there, keep it lubricated. And you're good to go. It looks awesome. All right. Can I just tell you that I love these ratcheting wrenches? Ow! Remember I was saying that? I was like, oh, these things don't like bust your knuckles. Well, we'll just wait for that one to bleed. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. We will talk to you soon. Later, and wrench on.